CG035 on the pad, ready to launch.
That looks like a pretty lightweight plane to be flying in this wind, don't you think?
I think it's one of those SF1s. That's Barney's.
Yeah.
They're pretty big.
But
yeah.
It's lighter than this probably.
They're a pretty good size. They're a pretty good size plane. But they are all Depron.
Weight than this one probably.
Yeah.
With the battery.
Okay, she's getting ready to fly. She's firing up the motors.
Ooh, boy.
Put both sticks down and towards the middle and motor start up. Now you got to lift the throttle stick. Here we go. The AosenMA. And it's flying. She's doing good so far. What you waving at it, Laura? Doing a selfie? You think it's recording?
And only got one battery.
Oh, where's it going? She really took off fast.
Is the battery in it? I don't think it is.
Where's it at?
It's pretty light.
Wow. Going way down there. You gonna be able to get that back, Laura? Yeah, looks like you're doing it. A little hard to stay in focus.
Where's that battery at? I
It's
don't have the battery.
it's in your bag behind me. In your
Oh,
bag.
that's right.
It's in the bag against the wall.
That's right.
Looks close. Go for it. Move the throttle down. Go for it. Keep going. You got it. Move the throttle down. Yeah. Looks good.
All right.
Ready to go?
Get the radio on the holder here.
System check. All right.
You gonna do it from sitting down?
Oh no, I'm gonna go out here. Where do you want me to stand?
I ain't
I
got
don't
the
know.
strength.
Probably wait to turn.
All right. Over here somewhere.
I hope I can do it.
Well, let me get my hand on it right here.
Oh, it's a CG right. We never did check that. Let me check that real quick.
Checking the CG.
Yeah.
That's hard.
Yeah, pretty much perfect. Little nose, not too much though.
All right.
Are we ready?
I guess.
Are you gonna do two at the same time?
I guess. I can do it. No problem. A little more, maybe. Okay. Hey, beautiful. Beautiful.
Oh,
Oh,
that was bad.
it was doing good, pretty good so far. Oh, look out, Barney. Oh, Barney, 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 Barney. Oh.
Wow.
It got hung in there.
It must have got hung on a piece of wood.
Is it on fire?
No, I don't know. We'll find out. No, it's still fine.
It'll cool it off when
See if it still flies.
Yeah, you're right. I ain't got nothing.
Oh, that one motor's not going.
12.
Left hand. Yeah. Oh well.
What did you do?
Must have got